In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDFs to PowerPoint slides in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to turn a static PDF into an editable slide deck, this workflow makes it quick and reliable while giving you control over how text and comments are handled. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and heading to the Tools tab. This is the central hub for Acrobat's features, and it's where the export options live. In the Tools Center, click Export PDF. Acrobat will take you to a dedicated screen that lists the available output formats. On the Export your PDF to any format screen, choose Microsoft PowerPoint. This tells Acrobat to create a .pptx file that you can edit in PowerPoint, preserving as much structure, text, and imagery as possible. Before you export, you can fine-tune how the conversion behaves. Click the Settings gear icon to open the Save As PowerPoint Settings dialog. Here's what matters. Include comments, brings over annotations and markups from the PDF. In most cases, it's best to leave this unchecked because comment formatting doesn't always translate neatly to slides and can clutter your layout. Recognize text if needed, also known as OCR, converts non-editable text, like text inside scanned images, into real selectable text. Keep this turned on so you can edit that content later. You can also set the language for text recognition if your document isn't in your default language. Choosing the right language helps OCR interpret characters accurately. Click OK to confirm your choices. Now click Export to begin the conversion. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this may take a moment. When the first Save As dialog appears, decide whether you want the file to open automatically after export. Uncheck Open File after export if you prefer to open it yourself later. Next, choose where you want to save the PowerPoint file. Pick a folder you use often so it's easy to find. After confirming the location, a second Save As dialog appears so you can rename the file. Give it a clear descriptive name that reflects the content, then click Save to complete the process. Acrobat will finish the conversion and create your .pptx file. When the presentation is open in PowerPoint, review your slides carefully. Complex layouts, fonts, and spacing may need light adjustments. A quick pass to tidy headings, align images, and checklists will make your deck presentation ready. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.